morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? I'm doing great. My dog is doing fantastic. I'm going to hang out with my mom today. We're going to go walk my dog, go grocery shopping, go get gas for the car, and then I'm going to hang out with my friends. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and let's get on with it. Look at this. Whoa! Alright, are we gonna clean the car now? Gonna clean the car now. Get in there. Okay. Stay. Hi, baby. Bobbling head. Just a floating head. Hey guys. I don't know if you can even see me. It's super snowy. I'm going back to the car because I'm cold. My mom's gonna run a big circle with my dog, and then I'm gonna meet her at one spot, and we're gonna go grocery shopping. Yeah, okay. Here's us grocery shopping. Alright everyone, so change of plans like always because my life is never planned. My mom's going to go grocery shopping by herself, and I'm going to go to Adam's house. You all know and love Adam, and I will see you there.
You don't need to see the first one to see the second one.
Okay guys, we're watching a horror movie.
You did see the first one, did you not?
It's 10:38. We're watching Friends. We're the only ones still here. Fun. Fun. Actually, and that's going to be the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you on Monday.